Hello, everyone. This is Team S5, and welcome to our solution to address food insecurity within the Hamilton community. But first, meet our team. We're a group of diverse and dedicated individuals from various different years and programs looking to make Hamilton a better place by fixing a problem.
There are almost 3,500 residents on Barton Street. Most of them are currently facing food insecurity due to recent closure of a food shelter on the street itself. And our team tried to resolve this problem by coming with the idea of vertical farming. Vertical farming is a process where you grow crops vertically by stacking them on each other vertically. This method is cost efficient and saves a lot of water, and different sort of crops can be grown at the same time.
So this is how our process looked like. We started off with a how might we question that is trying to address food insecurity in Barton Street East community. We identified some sustainability goals around zero hunger, good health, and sustainability. And so we went through two community events where we were given opportunity to ask questions, receive feedback, and refine our question as well as the solution.
Which finally led to our final design and prototype. What you see here is a model of a vertical farm that we hope to implement. The brown areas represent the levels of the vertical farm, which can be stacked on top of each other to achieve maximum density for growing crops per unit area. The greens represent the areas where the crops will be grown. Spacing them out allows us to grow a diverse range of crops and allows us to scale this to whatever factor we need. The lighting systems are going to employ UV technology to ensure that any condition can be met optimally, regardless of the time or conditions outside. And we've also found through our research that a good, robust irrigation system helps and is very important for a vertical farm, which is represented by the piping in blue.
And so for our project viability, really comes down to three factors. For financial, since it does not take up a lot of land, since the crops are built on top of each other, it would save a lot of costs. For social, it creates a lot of voluntary opportunities for local residents and more engagement. And for environmental, it's sustainable because it's a closed loop system that retains the water and reuses it.
As for inclusivity, we had a lot of factors to consider as Barton is known for having a very diverse socioeconomic background and yet being under the financial median. Therefore, we came up with a lot of factors that we wanted to focus on to make sure that this is accessible to everyone who needs it.
And just for our next steps, we are thinking of partnering with local businesses on Martin Street, possibly reaching out to start a volunteering team, and just kind of connecting with the community members, talking to them, and building trust. And that's your presentation, and thank you for listening.